Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday, the 1st of October 2024. Where? Working on footpath FP69 Crompton off Mossgate Road High Crompton. What? Nothing this week, because the farmer at the start of the footpath was very annoyed and claimed we would cause a blockage in the brook. Quite abusive, and claimed we didn't have permission to clear the footpath. If you clear the footpath, he said, bag everything and take it away with you. Who? 7 volunteers out this week: Ken, Bob, Paul, Mike, Kevin, Keith and Neil. Turned out only to be turned back home without doing any works. A big thank you to all the volunteers, and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers, keep on walking.